What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So Monday is mommy's birthday. She's coming to Utah to visit. Yeah, she couldn't wait. She couldn't stay away from me. Anyway, if you know me, then you know I like to mess with people. And since it's her birthday, it's only fitting that I mess with her. So what I'm planning on doing, right? I already bought her birthday gift, but we came up with this brilliant idea to actually buy this old shoes and put it in a box and wrap it and stuff to make her think it's her actual birthday gift, but it's not. So hold on a second. Okay, so this is the blouse that I actually found. It's kind of hard to show just because I don't really have any furniture yet. Yes, we've been here a month, still don't have our furniture, so yeah, but that's the blouse. Got her this perfume right here. Smells amazing, so if you want a nice perfume, there you go. And then finally, I got her this bad boy right here. Yeah, Tory Burch. Her and my sister go crazy over these, so yeah. Okay, so this is what we found at Goodwill, and this is what I'm actually going to give her first, and then record a reaction. If you see what she gonna say, is either she go act like she love it, or when she see this, if me know mommy well, when she see this, our face not gonna look nice because our face can't hide nothing. But we'll see how this goes. So this is Ma unboxing her birthday gift. Life is secure.
Oh, Jesus, have mercy, my God, what is this? Oh, what is
TJ. That's her birthday gift, guys. Happy birthday, Ma. I hope you enjoy it. There was so much thought put into this gift.
Oh my God! No! TJ, what is this?
Can you believe we really got Goodwill go look for it?
Oh! Wow. Okay.
So you have to show the camera what you're getting.
Oh, okay.
So she got a, what name?
Vince Camuto.
Yeah, Amore.
Yeah. Because they all know I'm a perfume person. Yes, sir. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. TJ,
Nana,
your mom got me. Okay.
Nana,
Wow.
look.
This is nice.
Nana, look.
Cool. Did you buy this?
Look.
Yes. Did you buy this for me? I like it. Thank you. I you gonna trick me with Tory Burch box?
Lord gosh.
Oh!
Guys, let me tell you now. Mommy and my sister love Tory Burch.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh God, no, that boot they have me a ball. Jesus, have mercy. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
You're welcome,
I love
Mom.
it. I love it.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So there you have it. You caught the epic reaction. Listen. Then inside dirty.
In the nasty.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And until next time, peace out.